I'm Paula Norbom, founder and president of Talencio. In our last video, we talked about a wide variety of talent acquisition strategies. In this video, we're going to do a deeper dive into contingent search and retained search strategies. Contingent search firms only make money if the client hires their candidate. The firms send many resumes to the client to ensure their competitor does not get credit for any of these candidates. In the end, the client is sitting on a pile of resumes which may or may not have been vetted. The client is already short on time, which is why they need to fill the role in the first place. A pile of resumes is not helpful. Contingent firms need a quick hit. They are paying their talent acquisition team with no guarantee of client payment. In a low unemployment market, time to fill roles has significantly increased. They figured out how much time they can invest before giving up, and they are not in it for the long haul. Someone will be a loser, and that loser may be the client. If both firms take their foot off the pedal once they reach their time limit, who is recruiting for the client? No one. The contingent recruiting model may have worked in a higher unemployment market with a bigger pool of job seekers, but now recruiters need to reach into organizations to find star players. Let's focus on employing a retained search strategy. Whether a client partners with a contingent or a retained search firm, they're investing in the results of the search. However, the retained search firm is in it for the long haul. Here at Talencio, our reputation is everything, and we must succeed to remain in business. We dedicate resources to the search and hit it hard. We invest in understanding the culture and specific needs of our client. We thoroughly vet candidates and only send a handful of the top candidates to our client, so we don't waste our clients' time with piles of resumes. Retained search firms like Talencio represent their clients in the market. We are an extension of their organization and articulate our clients' mission, vision, and values as we talk with candidates. From a candidate's perspective, they prefer working with firms like Talencio because we invest time in them, keep the lines of communication open, and walk them through the process. With contingent search firms, candidates can become a number, and effective communication may or may not occur. If you're still unsure of your strategy, do your due diligence. Interview potential search firms thoroughly and contact their references. Most of all, in this historic period of low unemployment, develop your talent acquisition strategy to ensure you have the right talent when you need it.